Hey, this is Matt with Coastal Compass. Today we're going to be giving you a quick tour of the garden club level room with the soaker tub at Sandals Montego Bay. It's got the room code GC. These rooms are really unique in that Sandals Montego Bay has expanded accommodations past the main 3 buildings by acquiring these smaller cottages further down the beach. This room sits in one of those, and it's further down the beach in a more secluded spot, coming out right next to the Latitudes Bar, the Piano Bar, and the Jerk Shack. It's got plenty of space, a huge bathroom with the tub inside the shower, and although we didn't capture footage of it, it does have a soaker tub on the balcony or patio depending on what floor you're staying on. If you like what you see and you want to book, we're happy to help you make that happen. Go to cctravelcompany.com and click Contact Us. If you want to book it yourself, that is totally cool too. If you found this helpful, I do have an affiliate link in the show notes that really helps me out and makes a huge difference when you use that link to book. And last, if you've already booked but haven't paid it full, you might qualify for my free concierge service in which I'll help you set up all the good stuff prior to your trip. Check out the show notes. I've got a link for that there as well. All right, let's get to it and see this room.